Today we are going to discuss how to solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. How to solve the quadra- quadratic equation by factorization method. So let's give one example. X square minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. So whenever we have to solve the quadratic equation by factorization method, that is also called middle term split method. To solve the quadratic equation by middle term split method or factorization method, first of all we have to write the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here the question is already given in the form of ax square plus bx plus c form. Then we have to first take the coefficient of x square and then constant term. So coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant term is 12. We have to multiply both of them. So after writing the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then we have to take the coefficient of x square, then last constant term. We have to multiply both of them, then we get 12. And also we have to see the sign of the coefficient of x square and also constant term. So here it is the plus and also a plus. The plus into plus, here we get plus. So this sign is very important because by looking these signs now we can know how to bring the middle answer. So the middle is the 7 minus 7. Okay. So now we have to split the 12 in such a way that we should get the 7. So how we get 7? By adding. So we have to factorize the 12. So by factorizing the 12, we have to make two number in such a way that by adding we should get middle number, that is the 7. So 7 we should get. So here we get here 4 and here is 3. When we multiply we get 12 and when we add then we get middle term is 7. So now we have to give the sign. So here because we have to add, by adding we have to bring the 7. So adding means both signs should be what? Minus. Here also minus 4 and it is also minus 3. So now we have to write like this: x square minus this one minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 equal to 0. Now here sometimes, see here what is the common here, sometimes there is no common. So here x is common. So here x we take common, then we write x minus 4 and here minus, what is common over here? Here is the 3 common. So minus 3 we have taken common, then remaining will be inside the bracket, it will be x and in here will be minus 4. See why minus 4? Because when we take minus common, then here minus into minus it become plus. So that's why we have to write here minus, because we have taken minus 3 as a common. So then equal to 0. See, whenever we take the common, here the whatever number will be in the first bracket, same number should be in the second bracket. Then we can understand that what the we are doing the in the right process. If both the number is not same, then there will be some problem. Okay, means answer will not be right. So now next step will be, we have to write x minus 4. Then next, so if you remove both of them, then next is x minus 3. So x minus 3 equal to 0. So after that we now take separately x, first bracket x minus 4 equal to 0. Then here we get x equal to 4, and here x minus 3 equal to 0. Then we get x equal to 3. So the solution we get, solution will be, solution we get here equal to, solution will be x equal to 4 and x equal to 3. So this is how we do to solve the factorization method. Okay, so now I am writing the next example. Minus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. So here same method we are going to use. First we have to see whether the equation is written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c or not. So here the equation is already written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So now next process will be, first we have to take the coefficient of x square and the last term we have to multiply. So coefficient of x square is 2 and last term is 24. Then we get here 48, and we also check, multiply the sign. So here plus and this is minus. So plus into minus, it become minus. So this sign will tell how we should bring the middle answer, because we get here the minus sign. So we have to bring the middle term 2 by subtracting 2 number. So how we get the 2 number? We have to split the 48 in such way that we have to make 2 number in such way that by subtracting we should get 2. So now sometimes it is, student feel very difficult to get the 2 number. So that time now we should factorize, like 48, just factorize. So 2 here 24, 2 12, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 1 ja. So whatever number we get over here, so like the we get here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this number we should write in such a way that by combining we get 2 number, and then when you do the subtraction we should get 2. So suppose first we if you take over here 2 to the 4, and first if you take first number 4, then next number will be 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12. So 12. So 12 and 4, but when we subtract we are not getting the 2 answer. So this option is not right. So by this way we do different options till we get the answer 2 by subtracting the 2 number. So here now next option, suppose I am taking first 2 into 3, I am taking one number 6. Then second number will be 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Here when we subtract these two number we are getting 2. So here we can take two number, one number is 8 and the second number is 6. Now after getting the two number we have to check the sign. So now whatever the sign will be of this number, this sign will be of the bigger number. So bigger number here 8 and 6, 8 is the bigger, so here we have to give the minus sign, and here we have to give the plus sign. Okay, after this now we have to write over here 2x square minus 8x plus 6x minus 24 equal to 0. See, sometimes students feel very difficult to take common, and they are taking the wrong common, and because of this their answer is getting wrong. Suppose so to remove this problem now I am just giving one tricks. By this way now we can solve it easily. Suppose whatever the coefficient of x square will be, by that coefficient now we should divide. Then see what is the then we get easily answer. See, suppose here the coefficient of x square is 2 now, so we should divide both sides. So here we should write like this, dividing both side by 2. Then we have to write like this, 2x square upon 2 minus 8x upon 2 plus 6x upon 2 minus 24 upon 2 equal to 0 upon 2. Then we can cancel here, 2 4 ja, also here we get cancel 3, and here also we get 12. So then after cancelling we get what, x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 equal to 0. See why we should do this method, because whatever will be the coefficient of x square, if you divide by taking these to all sides, then we can get the answer easily, because see here we get x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 equal to 0. Now easily you can directly write what is the number over here, minus 4, and here is the plus 3. So directly you can write like this, x minus 4 and x plus 3 equal to 0. Then we can write like the x minus 4 equal to 0, and here we can write x plus 3 equal to 0. Then we get over here x equal to 4 and x equal to, here we get 3 minus 3 plus 3 is, so here will be minus 3. So the solution will be equal to, solution is to x equal to 4 or x equal to minus 3. This is how we can solve the quadratic equation easily. Sometimes so I told you this method because this method is very easy to understand, because sometimes what happens here, after doing this now, students feel very difficult to take the common, and they have taken wrong common, and because of this their answer will be wrong. To remove this problem, what we have to do, just check what is the coefficient of x square. Whatever the coefficient of x square will be, that number we should divide both sides. Okay, then we get like this equation. Okay, after that directly you can see what is the number, these two numbers you have to check. So here minus 4, so you write x minus 4, and here plus 3, so x plus 3. Then we write separately, then we get the answer easily, and that's how we can easily solve the quadratic equation.